get up there and you can look down on the dam. In order to get up there, it's got a little parking lot over here on our right hand side coming up. Coming up on our left-hand side is the substation. Now this is where all the power that's generated from the dam comes up to this point right here, and then is distributed into these wires that go across into California and Arizona. Vegas doesn't get any power from Hoover Dam. We get all our power from a coal-fired plant that's on the other side of town. The only time we get any kind of power here is if we've got every air conditioner and light bulb on at our peak time. Get your first glimpse of the dam over here on our left-hand side. This big crane that's right here. This is used to lower things like that turbine down to the bottom of the dam. And right in front of us you can see the Michael Callahan Pat Tillman bypass bridge. I'm going to get over here to the right hand side and you can look down into the Black Canyon, see the Colorado River. And you can kind of see how big this bridge really is. Now when they were also digging those bypass tunnels, what they had to do was clean all the rock off the face of this of the canyon. They wanted to get it down to good solid bedrock. So over here on our, coming up on our left hand side, you're going to see a statue, and this guy is called the high scaler. Now the high scaler, what his job was to clean that loose debris off. So he had a 40-pound jackhammer, pocket full of dynamite, sit on that little bozeman's chair, and when he found something that needed to be removed, he would drill a hole in there and put that dynamite in it, light the fuse, and just basically swing out of the way. Then come back and get the rest of it off. I had 400 of those guys, and they only lost 9 of them doing that. We're now driving on top of the dam. It's 45 feet across here at the top, 660 feet thick at the base. It's 726 feet high. And the crest, what we're driving on, is 1,240 feet long. Now these two towers on our left-hand side over there, that's where all the water goes through to generate power down below. Now right here, we're sitting in Arizona and you guys are in Nevada. That's the state line right there. It goes right through the Colorado River, the middle of the Colorado River, and the lake for that matter. These two towers over here take the water in for the Arizona side for generating power. Now those bypass tunnels, they didn't want to waste them, so they created these spillways. Just in case we have peak amount of water at one time and can't get it to go around the dam, or I mean through the dam, they'll divert it around it on these spillways right here. Now over here on our right hand side is where they tapped into one of those bypass tunnels. That's about 300-foot drop over there. How energetic is everybody? Because we got enough time that we can actually walk across that dam before we can go down inside. Is that an option for everybody?
Yeah.
No objections. We're about 20 minutes early for getting into the Nevada side. That's where we usually park. Is everybody good on the restrooms? As the first one would be it's the ladies' room is the first one, and then we have to walk almost all the way across the other side for the men's.